I am at Medley in Johns Creek, 4 minutes driving from Brookmere at Johns Creek, my new listing, which is still available. So as you see behind me, this is going to be very similar with Avalon. Medley at Johns Creek, developed by Total Development. Now this beautiful mixed-use development is going to have restaurants, green space, office space, of course, townhomes available. So it's very similar with Avalon, same builder that developed Avalon in 2014, right now is developing Medley at Johns Creek. Now, for those of you that are going to buy a property next to Medley, so very close by, which this beautiful listing is actually 4 minutes driving in a gated community. So for those of you that love to have a fancy dinner or you want to go to the events in Medley, because this is going to be even better than Avalon. Think about it. The prices in this area, once this project is done, Medley, the prices are going to go up. The property address is 930 Crestview Drive in Johns Creek, and it's available. Now, seller is offering $5,000 towards the buyer's closing cost. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 minutes walkthrough video for this beautiful property. And of course, make sure you join us for the open house, which is this Sunday, May 4, 2 to 5 p.m. Now, for those of you that don't have an agent, make sure you text me for info in the description below. Send me a text message and I will make sure you get the gate code so you can actually join us for the open house this Sunday, 2 to 5 p.m. Now, for those of you that have an agent, I know you know exactly what you have to do. Bring your agent or come without the agent and make sure you join us for the open house. All the information is in FMLS. Now, this beautiful home is built in 2018, 2019 and is ready for a new homeowner in a gated community, as I said earlier, Brookmere at Johns Creek with resort-style amenities. And what's amazing about this property, this home is in the middle of the neighborhood, and in front you are going to have a pocket park, a huge pocket park with additional parking right in front of your home. So this property is in the middle of the neighborhood, amazing location, south-facing home, beautiful in Brookmere at Johns Creek. Now, after watching this video, make sure you watch this video right here. This is the full version of 930 Crestview Drive, where I show the entire community, I show the amenities, I show the home. It's like an inside tour of this property. So watch this next and make sure you call me if you would love to submit an offer. Agent or no agent, I would love to work with you. Let's look at a 2 minutes walkthrough video so you can see how gorgeous this property is. And of course, make sure you join us for the open house this Sunday, May 4, 2 to 5 p.m. Now let's check out this gorgeous home right now.
They say that good things often take a while. I keep on waiting for love. I keep on waiting for you. 'Cause there's nothing to rush. You come right on cue. I keep on waiting for love. Waiting for love. It'll be worth it.
hope this video was helpful. Make sure you comment below and let me know, is this property a good option for you and your family? And look at Medley in Johns Creek. Do your research on this beautiful mixed-use development and make sure you join us for the open house Sunday 2 to 5 p.m. Secure this home for you and your family because it's in an amazing location close to everything. This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.